Hi, my name is Amit. This video is going to show teachers how to collect conversations and observations data in the Student Learning Notebook using the Notes tab. So let's get started. To collect this data, you first need to click on the Notes tab on the sidebar to the left. You will then be prompted to enter in a name for the evidence you will be collecting. Don't worry if you don't have an official name for your evidence right away. You can always come back later and edit it. You will then need to assign the evidence to a particular class. Then you need to click on Initialize Notes. You will now be taken to a screen where you can make notes and assign levels to all of your students as you are assessing their learning. Remember that conversations and observations can be either formal or informal assessments that allow students to demonstrate their learning in a variety of ways. Please refer to the Assess Peel guide on triangulation of evidence that can be found by clicking on the I in the top right corner of your screen to learn more. Within the Notes screen, you can either make notes for each student, or you can tag this piece of evidence to a previously created learning goal to bring up the associated success criteria. Please refer to the Creating and Inputting Learning Goals video to learn more about this. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to link this class note to a previously created learning goal on math. To do that, I click on the down arrow beside the link to learning goal. Find the overarching learning goal I tagged my learning goal to, then click in the box beside the learning goal itself. Once I've done this, the success criteria will now load beside each of the students, and I can use these as a checklist and determine whether the student has met or not yet met this particular criteria. I can also make comments about each student's progress if I wish, and assign a level. You are assigning a level to help populate the scatter plot that will be used to determine the student's grade for report cards. Please refer to the Determining a Grade video for more information on this. Once I've assessed all the students, I can scroll down to the bottom of the screen, select the assessment type, either as or for with conversations and observations, and fill in any other information that was not populated based on the previously created learning goal. Please note that had I not tagged my evidence to a learning goal, these boxes would be empty and I would have to populate them manually. Once I'm done, I can simply click on the X at the top of the screen since everything is auto-saved. If I want to return to this piece of evidence in the future to add or edit, I will find it under the Evidence tab, not by clicking back on the class notes. And that's how teachers can collect conversations and observations data using the Notes feature in the Student Learning Notebook.